Hello and welcome to the BMC Quick Course Series. My name is Art Dubiel and I'm a software consultant for the BMC MainView products. In this tutorial demo on BMC MainView for IP, we will cover TCP/IP stack statistical information, how to set up an application availability monitor, and how to look at and control your connections. I'll also show you how to display response times, FTP Statistics, and SNMP data. From the Easy IP menu view, we'll begin to explore BMC MainView for IP. We'll start by hyperlinking on Stack Statistics just under the topic TCPIP activity. Just as the prior title suggested, we now see several entries related to statistics in the resulting menu view EasyStat. Let's hyperlink on the first entry, Status. In order to see all the stacks known to the Plex Manager, I'll enter CON-ALL on the command line and then press Enter, as shown here. Now, in the Stacks view, we see 4 stacks, their address, and other details about each. If I scroll to the right, you will see the system they are running on and the stack status field. As a part of your general health check efforts, this may be a good field to include and set an alarm on to be notified when it changes to inactive. Press PF3 twice to go back to the EasyStat view. Now back to the EasyStat menu view, each of the subtopics following status can be viewed in a similar fashion. Please explore them at your convenience to see how each protocol is performing in your own environment. PF3 takes us back to the Easy IP menu. From the Easy IP menu, we will now hyperlink on Availability. The Easy Avail, EasyAVAIL menu view now presents us with Availability Monitor, Availability Ping, and Network Status. Let's hyperlink on Availability Monitor. The result is the AMON view. Shown here, I entered CON-ALL on the command line and pressed Enter to show all the resources we have defined across the TCP/IP stacks in our MainView environment, as indicated by the last field in the view called SSI/SYST. The AMON, or Availability Monitor view, is a powerful tool that allows you to define resources you wish to monitor. The monitored resources can be TCP applications specified by IP address or port or even job name, enterprise extender connections, rapid transit protocol physical units, or any device or link that is defined to the TCP/IP stack. The status of the resource and the number of connections will be displayed for each resource, and more detail for each can be displayed by hyperlinking on the resource. This view is designed to allow users to set alarms on critical resources. With other views, if a device or connection goes inactive, it will drop off the view at the interval, and alarms will not be triggered. Move your cursor into the CMD column and press PF1 to see the A, D, and UPD commands defined. You may then use them to add, delete, or update resources. Resources are saved during a recycle of the BMC MainView for IP PAS, product address space, in the AMONPRMS DD statement in the PAS. Now press PF3 to take us back to the Easy AVAIL menu. Now at the EasyAVAIL menu, we'll hyperlink on Availability Ping. The result is the APing view, and again, I changed the context to all to show you all the resources we have defined across the TCPIP stacks in our MainView environment. The availability ping allows you to monitor the availability of important or mission-critical network devices. Based on an IP address or a domain name, you can request the device to be pinged at a constant interval during specified periods of the day. This ping will provide the status of the device, which can be used in an alarm, and will also provide response time trends, which can be used to detect problem situations before they become critical. Move your cursor into the CMD column and press PF1 to see the action commands for this view that you can use that include the ability to perform a trace route on a device. Now press PF3 to take us back to the EasyAVAIL menu view. Now back to the EasyAVAIL menu view, we'll hyperlink on Network Status. The Network Status view allows you to monitor your network with displays of good and bad counts for critical network resources. You may hyperlink on the good and the bad count fields to see detailed information, or set an alarm on the desired field to be notified when it reaches your threshold. Press PF3 twice to return to the EasyIP menu view. From the EasyIP menu, hyperlink on Connections. The EasyCons view is now revealed to show the hyperlinks to connection views by key elements. The first 6 categories, All, Listen, Active, TCP, UDP, and TN3270, hyperlink to views that show real-time data about connections like IP address, DNS name, job, connection info, stack, status, response time, byte counts, and RRT or round trip times. These views allow you to enter commands in the CMD field to terminate a connection, ping a device, and even perform a trace route or packet trace. The 6 remaining views on the left side of EasyCons conveniently break down similar data by job name, port, IP address, and Class A, B, and C subnets. The 6 categories on the right break down data by duplicate acts and retransmitted packets with other key indicators by job name, port, and IP address. Press PF3 twice to return to the EasyIP menu view. Now we'll hyperlink on response times. The resulting view is EasyRESP and allows you to quickly see response times broken down by categories listed under the highlighted blue heading Response Times. The TN3270 Server Performance Data view shows data collected by the TN3270 server, which includes life of connection response time averages, sliding window interval response time averages, total round trip time, IP, and SNA response time. PF3 twice to return to the EasyIP menu view. Now we'll hyperlink on FTP Statistics. The Easy FTP menu view allows you to quickly go to the specific area of focus to monitor FTP sessions on the local system or anywhere in your CASPlex. The views in Easy FTP menu view reflect historical data, and show control connection data between the FTP client and the FTP server. The top two categories provide FTP data up to 1 hour intervals, and the last category shows data for the last day. Now let's hyperlink on FTP file transfer by user ID under FTP file transfer info last day. The resulting view, FTPFU, looks like this in our demo environment. In order to see more data, I entered the time parameter to go back historically 2 full days instead of just 1. Now the FTPFU view shows data for 1.99 days or 2,871 minutes as noted on the status line. I added date and time to the view with the MVI commands INC space time and INC space data and sorted the data so you could see the data chronologically. Note the ease of identifying the number of bytes transferred along with other key data. Scroll right to see more fields, and when you're done, press PF3 3 times to go back to the EasyIP menu view, or simply enter EasyIP on the command line and press enter. We have returned to the EasyIP menu view, and now we'll hyperlink on SNMP data. Now, in EasySNMP menu view, the category named Define links to the SNMP DEF view and allows you to add or change SNMP parameters dynamically. The remaining categories link to views that display TCP, UDP, IP, System, Interface, OSPF, and Cisco Router SNMP performance information. Press PF3 to go back to the EasyIP menu view. Thank you for your time. Please see the related demos box on the web page for more information about BMC MainView for IP, and for more information on any of the BMC mainframe products, please visit the URL shown here.